Hello hobby gardeners, farmers and DIY lovers. It's your boy, I am Will, and I built this brooder pen. Now let's just DIY today. So I built this multi-storey brooder pen for my farming and hatchery business. It is meant to keep the newly hatched day-old chicks in a controlled environment for between 2 to 4 weeks when they will receive all their vaccinations. So I went to the timber market to get the wood materials to the specification of this brooder pen. If you are intending to build this brooder pen with my specification, the detailed specification will be in the description area, or you can look at the plan I drew. I recommend that you build the brooder pen to your own specification based on the space you have available and what you need it for. So I decided to use cross halving because it gives it a more professional look, and also I wanted to avoid overlappings around my construction. You can choose to do cross halving, which takes more of your time than if you just crossed it and nailed it or screwed it together. So this particular exercise helps drive the screw head in and ensures a smooth surface. So if you've done it correctly, this is how your construction should look. Now notice that there is no leg on this construction as compared to my drawings. So this is because later on in the construction I realized I didn't need the legs. Now you can choose to have the legs depending on where you are going to place it. So I realized I was going to put the brooder pen on a much higher elevated surface, so there was no need for the legs. So I came up with this particular technique in most of my construction, and the use of it is to balance the weight, especially for areas where I think there's going to be more weight. I use this as a brace to reduce the amount of weight on certain parts of my construction. So now it was time to construct the doors and put them in. I was so determined to finish that work that particular day that I pulled an all-nighter to get it done, and it was worth it. To lift the construction from outside into the incubation room, I decided not to put the back covering on the brooder pen because it would make it heavier, and trust me, it was heavy lifting it around. It is also essential that you produce a source of heat for 24/7. Now in my particular construction, I connected some wiring and we introduced heating bulbs into the brooder pen. Being a multi-storey brooder pen, it is very essential that you ensure that no liquid oil whatsoever drips from one floor to the next. To prevent this, I added a carpet. So we moved the brooder pen to its final position, and this is where it's going to stay. My biggest fail in this construction was using nails and screws. If I had to do this construction again, I would use screws only. My advice to you is to use screws. It makes your construction more stable. Well, now that the construction is complete, all that is left with in this video is 55 seconds of epic cuteness. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Now, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, please do. Also like, share, comment, and hit the notification button to get new updates. Until we meet again in the next video, I am Will, and I am, well, here for the next 55 seconds.